美国流行歌手泰勒斯这礼拜伫新加坡开演唱会，请真侪亚洲的歌迷来看。也毋过，在菲律宾所有议员跳出来批评泰勒斯有影是偏心，对新加坡其实有较好。同时，伫菲律宾是有一间大学为着泰勒斯来开一节课，对无同款的角度来探讨泰勒斯的现象。
今日举办世界巡回演唱泰勒斯3月底伫新加坡登台，就以美国流行天后白条演讲是全球挡袂牢，总计131场演唱会门票早就拢卖了了。然后伊的净资产伫去年10月超过11亿美金，成做世界上上好嘅女艺人之一。泰勒斯的音乐到底有啥物比别人较高的所在？哈佛大学、斯坦福大学甲纽约大学这有名学校，最近拢开课来研究。菲律宾这间大学也开课。 开伫广播传播系这节课吸引超过300人选修，不过研究角度就无同款。
Very important for me also is to talk about Taylor Swift from a post-colonial perspective. And what do I mean by that? How is a transnational icon like her? How are we appropriating her to talk about our own issues, our own concerns? How are we using her images, her iconography, or the things that's associated with her, to express something about Philippine society and politics also.
开课教授讲，也对性别甲阶级的角度来分析泰勒斯现象。学生是希望就此增加见识，多多了解，深入探讨看一下菲律宾自身的状况。
I would love to delve deeper into the societal issues that we face in connection to Taylor Swift. I think that she was able to empower me, and that I would want to use that guiding force to see the world in a bigger perspective and in a different view.
泰勒斯大部分的音乐拢是家己写词作曲，主要出在个人的生活。有研究指出，伊专辑内底每首歌曲拢有使互相来接应配合，某种程度敢若像文学的创作。除了音乐上值得骄傲的成就，伊所掀起的跨国大回响也带来无同启发。公视新闻张惠斌编译。